Action Engineering mentors small, medium, and large companies looking to move away from paper-based processes to leveraging 3D smart solutions on their shop floor. Right now in the industry, folks are trying to leverage Industry 4.0, and they want to put that in place. That's often called the digital thread or digital twin as well. We need to put in place first a model-based enterprise, which is the baseline infrastructure needed to support those activities. And that's pretty important that we have that foundation laid. Interoperability is how we connect the data together, machine to machine readability, regardless of file format. So we have standards such as QAF that play into that role of connecting disparate file formats together so that we can move the data through the process. Action Engineering customizes solutions based on where our customers stand in their process. We like to bring into the conversations our core values, which are collaboration, intuitive education, efficient quality, and innovative creative solutions.